Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a tutorial, kind of. I keep doing this halfway, I don't know why, but better something than nothing. I just stepped on the bulb. So this is my 2003 Jaguar S-Type R. So this is for the HID headlights with the, adjustable beam up and down. Really annoying, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did, what I have to do to get the bulbs out and all that. Right now I'm dealing with an issue I'll get to, but first step, you have the whole bumper on, you have that whole assembly on, you got to take that tray out, and there's 4 clips right there, 1, 2, 3, 4 over there, and that's it. And then look how many bolts you have to take out. This is Jaguar. All right, so once that's out, you're gonna have some bolts here. So this bolt right here, let me show you on this side. There's a bolt. It's terribly, I didn't remove this one yet. There's a bolt right there. It's hard to see, but down there you got to remove that. There's a bolt down the side down there. You got to remove that. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 down here, and that should remove this. But before that even happens, there's a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. That removes the grill and the bumper, as you can see the holes there. And then to get the side off, you've got like this bolt here, this bolt here. You got to remove those, and you got to peel it back, and then there's going to be a bolt in there. All of these are 10 mil, which is nice. You got to unscrew that, and then the whole bumper should fall off. It will fall. So if you don't want to undo the whole bottom tray and all that, which I really didn't want to deal with because my panels have been a nightmare, I just put it on a plank of wood. I know, extremely professional, but I just put it to lay down like that while I do the process. So that's where I'm at. That's what all these screws mean. What else did I remove? Other than the fender liner, like it'd be easier if you remove the whole fender liner. You don't have to take the wheels off, but it'd be nice. People say you do not have to remove the headlight because this is the ballast cover. There's a ballast cover right here. You unscrew it off, you pull it off, and then boom, all right there. But there's just this firewall prevents it from anything happening. If you know what you're doing, maybe you can, but I definitely cannot. This is my first time. So something I noticed is this is being a hassle. This is the ballast assembly, and then the bulb I put in there. There's 2 spring retainer clips there and there. You have to push them in, squeeze them, pull them out, and then that gets the bulb out. That's the old bulb, that's the new bulb. I'm hoping when I plug this all in, it's not going to fall apart, but I'm having a hassle plugging it all together. So there's these, these little pins here and all that, and then there's the pins right there. So then when I put it on like that, it just goes in. It's weird when you press, it does that. Wait, okay, whatever, that's really weird. I guess for adjustment reasons. Oh, by the way, when you pull this out, there's going to be this plug here. Make sure that plug, either comes out completely or stays in, depending on what you do with this. Just remember to plug it back in when you put it all together. So when you plug this in, you're supposed to like open close kind of thing, and it's just not allowing me to do that. When I turn it, and I'm putting a lot of force, and I feel like something's going to break if I keep doing it. It doesn't turn. Doesn't turn at all. I'm gonna break it if I keep going. So I need to figure that out, and let me figure that out, and I'll get back to you guys. I'm doing low beam and high beam. The high beams I'm gonna do LED. The low beam I'm gonna leave HID because I hear like there's electrical nightmares with doing that. So I just got the same color. HIDs are actually very bright and almost as bright as LEDs. The reason I go LEDs is for long-lasting durability and quality and all that, but apparently it just isn't effective in this case, and HIDs are just as Bi-Xenon. The Bi-Xenon bulbs are just as effective as LEDs. For the Bi-Xenon bulbs, the ones that I got were I don't want to flip the box. These Kensun bulbs. I don't know how I feel about that because people don't have good. I mean, they were really cheap compared to other Bi-Xenon bulbs, and that was a concern. So we'll see once they go in, if one, they fit, two, you know, that's why that's not fitting, I think, because it's not, I don't know. I'm going to keep pressing and see what happens. And see if the light even comes on, because that's my concern. Once I plug it in, I'm going to turn on the lights and see what happens. Hopefully nothing breaks. Hopefully I don't break anything. Press for time, so let's, yeah, let's see what, oh, for the LED bulbs, I'll show you in a second. Yeah, let me show you the LED bulbs for the headlights. Let's see. Well, actually, here. So I got these BeamTech LED headlight kit. So we'll see how they come out. Yeah, both 6000K. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, guys, freaking fantastic news. I got the bulb in, and I also put the LED bulbs in. It looks different, just so much better. This is so much brighter. Look at this, you know, like yellow. Oh god, it's so hot. This is not, oh my god, that's insane. Actually, wait, yeah, these are way hotter than the LEDs. Save your housing, buy LEDs. No, actually, I got the same color. I don't know how clear it is in the video. I'm gonna try and zoom in. Yeah, my headlights are really dirty. I do not know why. It's like stained on there, so I'm gonna buff that out. And you can see the haze right there. Once these headlights get refinished, it's gonna look perfect. I also have LED side markers all around, including the rear. All new bulbs. The LED side markers are the same as these bulbs. Would not recommend. They look great, but would not recommend. One, I would recommend the regular OEM bulb for these because the yellow on these look good. Two, these bulbs burn out like that. This is like, they came in a pack of 8 and I've gone through all of them. Don't get those. Buy a different set if you want LEDs, and buy just, so you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total if you want all of them to match. You know, because 2 side markers, 2 more side markers, and then the 2 in the front. So you need 6. I got 8. Don't do it because, you know, like I've gone through all of them, and then now I need to buy a whole nother set. Waste of like $8, $10, $15, whatever. All right, so same color. They do look a lot better, and you know, when they're shining, it looks exactly the same versus that side. Look how much brighter and look how much cleaner that is. Yeah, I can't wait to put in the other side and put it all back together. It's gonna look amazing. The yellow is just disgusting. It's so prehistoric. It looks so bad. Yeah, this is the bulb that's actually out, so I'm gonna get to this side now. Now, for the ballast, for the actual thing, not a big deal. You know, really didn't take that long. Just push in and twist. I don't know why it was being so difficult for me. Maybe I don't know. So first you put in the bulb, then you clip the spring in and, you know, place it and put it in place, and then you put the ballast on. Be careful. You know, it's got like all these little pins and clips in them. Let me show you one here. So you see these little side pins. Come on, focus for me, please. Please, pretty please. Yeah. So you see those little side pins right there, this guy, like right there. Those have to go into the ballast. Yeah, these were burning out. These were ready to go anyways. Good thing I replaced it. So, yeah, just watch out for that. Come on. All right. So, yeah, you see the difference there. I mean, that side doesn't even have the HID in, so it's a bit more yellow than it should be. But you see the dramatic difference, and it's going to look much better at night. I'll see the difference at night, really. All right, let me get to the other side. So, guys, all is well. Car is put together. And just every single time I look at this thing, it just looks better and better every time. Unless something breaks, of course, then nothing looks better. Here's what it looks like with the headlights on. Just regular low beam. I mean, they're not gonna look any different than before. Just normal headlights. Yeah, I was just driving it 10 seconds ago. That's why the fan came on. It's so low. But yeah, that's with the normal headlights on. And not that it really matters what it looks like with the high beams on, because I mean, with the high beams on, that's only for driving purposes. It is a lot brighter. I'll test that out at night. But that's with the high beams on. It looks right. It looks normal. The LEDs match these side bulbs, but I think I'm going to replace these side bulbs with some amber bulbs to match the side marker. There's too much LED in there, and it's too, like, specific. I don't like that. Once these get polished completely, bumper went in okay. No funny business. Yeah, everything is nice and tightly fit. This is all good. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm happy with it. It matters how long they last. That's the real question. So we'll see how long they last. And I'll try and get a night shot too, just to see how they look. But it looks great. I'm really happy. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope I helped in any way, shape, or form. So yeah, give a like, comment, let me know if this helped you at all in your endeavor for Bi-Xenon headlight bulbs. I'll leave links in the description for the LEDs I chose and the Bi-Xenons I chose. Bi-Xenons, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll leave links in the description if you guys are interested to buy those. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.